The country reported its highest daily jump in the number of patients who have recovered from COVID-19 at 108, pushing the recovery tally to 645. This as Malaysia enters phase 2 of the movement control order. However, new infections continue to be recorded, with 142 new cases discovered as at noon, which brings the confirmed case tally to 2,908, according to Health DG Datuk Dr. Noor Hisham Abdullah. He also announced that there had been 2 more deaths, which brings the current total to 45. Noor Hisham adds that the recent number of COVID-19 cases is a hopeful sign that the MCO is working as the country races to flatten the curve. He said that efforts made during the first phase have helped in preventing a drastic rise in cases as people stayed home so as to curtail the spread of the virus. Affin Bank has appointed Wan Razli Abdullah Wan Ali as Group CEO, succeeding Kamarul Arifin Muhammad Jamil. Wan Razli starts work tomorrow. He was formerly CFO of CIMB Group Holdings Indonesian subsidiary, PT Bank CIMB Niaga, for a decade before returning to Malaysia last year, where he assumed the position of Regional Head of Consumer Strategic Business Management at CIMB. In a statement, the board and management of Affin expressed their appreciation to Kamarul Arifin for his leadership and wished him well in his future endeavours. It is understood that the bank wants to bring in new people and ideas to move the group forward. Yinson Holdings' contract from Aker Energy Ghana to provide a floating production storage and offloading vessel has been terminated due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Yinson was to have provided the vessel for Aker's Pekan development project in offshore Ghana. According to the boss filing, Yinson says this was the result of Aker postponing activities under the project until further notice due to the current outbreak. Yinson adds it will preserve its right under the letter of intent for compensation arising from the termination. The termination is expected to have no material impact on earnings. To recap, the LOI had been issued on February 20th and was for 10 years, with the option to extend up to 15 years. Serba Dynamic co-founder Dato' Awang Daud Awang Putra continued to increase his stake in Mindtech Resources following his appointment as executive chairman on Tuesday. Filings today show Awang Daud holding a 16.91% stake in Mindtech, which is 0.63% higher than from the first day he took office. His most recent purchase of shares were at prices ranging from 12 sen to 12.5 sen. The stock closed up today at 14 sen. Awang Daud has been steadily increasing his stake in Mindtech ever since he first emerged as a shareholder on February 11th. He took over Mindtech's chairmanship from Chin Kim Siang, who has been redesignated as executive director. KFC and Pizza Hut operator QSR Brands Malaysia Holdings has appointed Nechel Khanna as its managing director. The company also appointed Datuk Mustafa Abdul Razak as chairman. Both appointments are effective today. In a statement, Nechel said that he looks forward to partnering with his colleagues at QSR to achieve greater heights and further strengthen the company's position as one of the country's leading food chain brands. Nechel's appointment follows the retirement of Datuk Sri Mohammed Azahari Muhammad Kamil. Before joining QSR, Nechel was the corporate business advisor for Johor Corporation.